Yes, the Bluetooth Enterprise D speaker has arrived. Let us first take a look at the packaging. The Enterprise D is such a photogenic ship from the side view. From the side view, the Enterprise D looks so strong and elegant at the same time. The creator of the ship, Andrew Probert, told me that he explicitly makes sure that the line flows aesthetically when I ask him about it, and I absolutely felt that he has succeeded in doing so. It is in my personal opinion that this is the most beautiful ship from the side view ever. As a matter of fact, his idea of flow influenced my design so much so that when it comes time for me to design a ship for my book series, I make sure that everything looks flowy. The first thing that strikes me is that the color is correct. It's not some neutral gray color. Here's where the speaker is. The details on top is just beyond excellent. I am so appreciative of the effort spent here. There are no painted details on the bottom of the ship, but it might be because of the way this product was perceived to be utilized. Details are lacking on the neck of the ship, no idea why. I want to make it clear that though I will be running through all the sounds built into the ship, I will not be playing any music through it because of the current trigger-happy copyright strikes from YouTube's AI that many content creators has been experiencing. If you are from the future, I hope it's better now. This is the stand. I had a number of people saying that they wish it to be black, but you will come to understand that when the Enterprise is all lit up, the frosted stand diffuses the bounce light in such a way that it seemingly seems to glow. Oh man, the top view is just amazing. So well done. Alright, it's time for the sound effects. Remember, even though a good microphone is used, no post-audio processing is used so that what you hear will be authentic. If it sucks, it sucks. If it's good, it's good.
Incoming transmission.
1 minute to auto-destruct.
This ship also have a white noise generator that will play for 1 hour to guide you to sleep. I will let it play through so that you may hear it in all its glory for a short while. As everybody who have ever bought a starship will know, it is obligatory to do this. Oh, why is there an Enterprise? What's going on? Is this one of those alternate universe things? Oh no! What?